Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are having an amazing day. Today in this video of Instagram series, we will see how to turn on notifications on Instagram. So without further delays, let's get into our video. First of all, you have to open Instagram. After opening Instagram, you just have to select the account for which you have to turn on the notification. Let's suppose that I'll just select this person, and here you can see the option of following. You just have to tap on it, and here is the option of notification. Just click on it, and here you can see that we have different options like post, stories, Instagram TV and live videos. It's up to you whether you want to turn on notification for post by this person or also the stories. So I will just select post. You can also select other options too. So this is how you can turn on post notification or stories notifications on Instagram. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.